And in the first news of today, the Google Pixel 4 leaks and renders finally heat up before the launch date on the 15th. And in the second news of today, Microsoft finally released their Surface products. The third news of today, Gopro Hero 8 finally launched to a lot of rumors. And last but not least, YouTube finally releases Superchat in South Africa and 19 other countries. If you like this type of content, make sure to hit that subscribe and bell notification to stay notified with the latest tech news. I'm i7 Tech, and let's get into this video. Now, the first story today is Google Pixel 4. The Google Pixel 4 has been leaked. There are a lot of renders on the internet, and I'm really excited for the device to come out in the next couple of weeks or days. Now, the 15th is around the corner, and I'm really excited for that. But apparently, you can buy the Google Pixel 4 right now. You don't have to wait for the 15th. It's actually a prototype, and I would like to know, would you guys like to buy a prototype, or would you wait for the actual device to come out before you actually get it? At the end of the day, for South Africans, the Google Pixel product doesn't come to this country and it's not available, so we don't really care that much of the Google Pixel smartphone. I'm really excited if it could come in just one iteration, even just for Google to test it out to see whether they have a shoe-in in the market or not. You know, it could be exciting for the industry, because Google can't say they have the best camera in the world when they only are in one specific area and most of the other areas, you know, they're not there, like in Africa or in many of the other countries that don't have the Google, like in Mexico, the Google Pixel. To have extensive tests, you need to test it in different scenarios and in different environments. So for them to have that boast that they are the best camera smartphone in the world, it's really untrue, because if it was, it would be available here in South Africa so that we can test it and see whether is it true that they're the best, have the best camera in the world. But I digress. And in the second news of today, Microsoft finally released their Surface products. Now, I'm not going to talk about all the products like the Duo, the Neo, and the Surface Buds. What I'm really excited is the Surface laptops. Now, the Surface laptops are one of the most amazing things I've ever seen in terms of design, in terms of build quality, even though I haven't held them in my hand. But you can see with the pictures that it's really amazing. And they've also added a USB Type-C port on there. So you know that they really took a lot of effort in really creating this Microsoft Surface laptop. But you know, I don't really know much about the specifications. Once I know all the specifications, I'll put them up here on the video so that you can check it out for yourself. But I'm really excited for what's actually happening in the Microsoft camp. Yeah, the Surface Buds are really great. The Neo and Duo are really great foldable smartphones that are not really foldable smartphones. That's really great. I'm really excited for that. But you know, I'm really excited for foldable smartphones, if you get what I mean. Now it's story number 3. Now story number 3 is the Gopro Hero 8. The Gopro Hero 8 is really an amazing device, and now can able to record in 4K at 60 FPS in that small form factor. It's really amazing. And one of the main features that they're actually throwing out there is that it has hyper smooth stabilization. You're going to be amazed at what you actually see, because it takes on anything. You don't even need to use a rig. You can even use it handheld. It takes everything on board like a champ, and I'm really excited for GoPro. Now in South Africa, you can get it for about 7,000 on Takealot. Maybe it's an exclusive deal, but if you look for it anywhere else, you expect it to pay at least 10,000 Rand for the whole product. I'm not really sure how that works with TechLog. Maybe it's an exclusive deal that they have with GoPro. Just check it out if you want to get yourself this Hero 8 really early. Superchat is finally available in South Africa. You know, we've been crying for Superchat for a long time. For those of you that don't know what Superchat is, Superchat basically is you get to pay to get your post pinned for a certain amount of time, depending on how much you've paid. You know, your post can last longer in a live stream. Let's say you are at your favorite YouTuber and you know everybody's commenting and your favorite creator is not seeing your comment. So in a way for you to alert your favorite creator that, hey, you know, I'm here, I want you to read my comment, you pay a certain amount. Now it's not expensive. It starts from 7 Rand going up to the top tier thousands if you're really into that. And I'm really excited for it because you know it's really going to open doors for a lot of people and a lot of creators to really know their community and know the people that actually subscribe and watch their videos. Because a lot of the times you miss a lot of comments, you know, when there's a live stream and a lot of people are on there, like 5 to 1,000 people commenting at the same time, you're gonna miss a lot of comments. Especially me, I will miss a lot of comments if I were to go live and there's 1,000 people on the actual live. So Super Chat is really something that I feel like it's been a long time coming, even though it's been there for a while and we're finally getting it now. I'm really excited for it. And it's been a quick video on what's happening in the tech industry today. Let me get your thoughts in the comments down below. What are you excited about in this Techtober? And that's been Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe and bell notification to keep notified with the latest tech news. And yeah, make sure to like this video if you like it. And I'll see you guys in the next one.